Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So we definitely did make a pretty big push down. I actually think this right here is probably not even a wave five, even though I still have it labeled as that, just to remind myself that it could be a wave top, like a top right there. I personally think that, especially looking at all the JPY pairs, that this is going to go up, take out these highs before we actually make a bigger move to the downside. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely a very strong move down, but you really have to notice that it never broke any structure. To me, this is still one trend right here. It's still a series of higher highs, higher lows. Now, I've been saying for quite some time now that this could be a wave A, this could be a wave B, that could go down for a wave C because I always try to keep all possibilities in mind. And this is definitely a very likely possibility. But I personally think that that is the least likely thing to happen. I actually think that this is the more likely thing, is that it's going to go up, it's going to make a new high, and probably at least go up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension around the 155 area. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce, so we do not have a breaker structure to the downside. We definitely don't have any lower highs. I am definitely very bullish on this. I mean, the only thing that's going to turn me bearish is if I see something like that with a big breaker structure at a Fibonacci level. I definitely don't see that, and I'm definitely going to continue to look for longs on sort of time frame. I am under the impression that it probably will go up and take out this previous high. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I do have it marked as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I actually think it's probably not even a wave four. It's probably a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. Either way, I still think this move down looks like a correction. I still think that looks like it's trying to end the correction, and I still believe there's a very good chance that this will continue the uptrend. So let's head right down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. We have a very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. I actually think this could be in a complete ABC correction. We went right down to the 38%. It is kind of a little hesitating a little bit to go up, but it is a break of structure at the three ways down. It looks like it could be a complete ABC correction. And a lot of the other pairs, yen pairs especially, kind of have the same look. If it does turn into a bearish engulfing move, I would definitely get out of any longs, but kind of looks to me like we should continue to look for longs and that this is probably the most likely thing that will happen for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.